I'd like to pick your brain about some of the services you offer on top of these products. What is JIT? I saw it on your website.
Well, my uncle started that just-in-time services. So back in the early 80s, actually, he developed a process with our manufacturing team to do 24-hour reamers. And now we're doing them same day up to 11 o'clock. But a lot of medical manufacturers, I know a lot of your customers down in Florida love the 24-hour reamer service because we do it in straight flute, right-hand spiral, right-hand cut, or left-hand spiral, right-hand cut. And we actually size it to within a tenth or 2/10, whichever your requirement is, to whatever diameter you need. So a lot of the medical guys that are using Swiss lathes and doing quick turn jobs, they need that tooling immediately, and they can get a precise reamer, run between centers, that's going to get the job done and get it done right. So it's a great service. We're doing end mills in 3 days, uncoated,
Wow.
5 days coated. We're doing carbide saws sized in 24 hours. So a lot of great JIT or fast services that are really helping customers get their jobs done in a timely manner.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with what's new.